Coaches and healers, listen up. Facebook is still a gold mine. Yes, still, nowadays, end of 2022, 2023, it's not going anywhere. Yes, of course, there are other apps like TikTok, they are more glamorous, and YouTube, love it, I'm here, obviously, or LinkedIn, depending on your niche, Instagram. I'm not sure about that anymore lately, but Facebook, you can still find clients, even if you're new or you're seasoned, doesn't matter, and make your first 10K or your next 10K for free, organically, without spending any money for ads. And by the way, if you don't know me, my name is Monica Valero and I'm a holistic business coach, which means that I blend marketing strategies with deep mindset work to help coaches and healers to reach their next level in their business. And if this is what you want to achieve, book a free strategy call with me. The link is in the description, so I can share with you all the ways in which I can help you make more money so you can help more people. The biggest difference between Facebook versus the other platforms is that nobody cares how many followers you have or how many friends you have on Facebook. If you have something valuable to offer to your potential and ideal client, they will work with you. Let's be honest, we all look at the numbers on the app, how many followers that person have, even before listening to their message. Most of the times it's like that. It's like second nature, whether it's TikTok or Instagram. We tend to see if that topic is popular before we waste our time listening to this person. And unfortunately, a lot of people believe in popularity. Like if someone has 100 followers versus 100,000 followers, we are more inclined to work with a person who has more followers because there must be a reason why all these people are following this person. Maybe they are for the wrong reasons, right? But psychologically, we don't want to make mistakes. We want to belong. We want to be like others. That's how our subconscious mind works. But then there's our conscious mind that says, no, wait, it's not true. If that person has something valuable to say, has something that I want, I'm going to be working with that no matter what. And I agree with your conscious mind. I'm like you. Of course, if you have something to offer that I want, I work with you no matter how many followers you have. But we still have to help people to stop the scroll so they can listen to our message and they can trust us, like us, and then at the end buy from us. And unfortunately, in many other social media, it's driven by how popular you are. Instead, on Facebook, it's a completely different game. People don't care how many followers you have or friends. Unless you have zero, then it's a little weird. So ask your friends and family to add you, right? So at least they know that you are a real person. Bottom line, people on Facebook don't care if you're a brand, don't care if you're a name. And you can get clients from there every day, even if you don't put out content consistently. Oh, and you don't even have to run Facebook ads, not at all. There are many ways to get clients on Facebook. Do you want to know some of them? Then subscribe to my channel, show me some love, like the video, and why not? Hit the bell so you're going to be the first one to be notified when the next video is going to come out. It's going to help you to build your coaching business. Okay, you ready? Number one, you can create your own Facebook group where you're going to add people, your ideal clients, hopefully, and then you're going to nurture them and then you can convert them into clients. But there is a con about this tip. You need to put out content consistently and create a sort of a community, a safe place for them. So refrain from constantly selling there because people will be hanging out there if they can express themselves, if they find a community of like-minded people, and therefore it's going to be harder, it's going to be a longer game, and it's going to require a lot of time to build that. I personally don't have one, but some of my clients do, and they get clients from it. I think it depends a lot on your niche. Use other people's Facebook groups to get new and fresh leads. You don't even have to have one. Now, I'm not telling you to steal clients from other coaches because a lot of times these groups are created by other coaches. So of course they don't want you to sell there and they don't want you to share your own links, if you're very spammy. But if you just share valuable content, really helping your ideal client to take a step forward to where they want to be, Well, first of all, you're gaining visibility. Second of all, you're sparking conversations, and conversations will lead to clients. Yes, organic marketing will take you longer to get clients, but you will get warmer leads, and those leads will convert into clients much faster. Number 3, post relevant content. Even in your regular Facebook page, in your profile, even if you don't have a lot of people there, because once you spark this conversation with your ideal client in other groups, they are going automatically into your profile, and they're gonna see what you're all about, your personality, the things that you stand for. So it's important that you don't have to be consistent. It doesn't have to be every day, but that your page show what you're all about. What do you think about Facebook? Are you getting clients from this platform? Let me know in the comments. And I give you a little extra tips. Extra tip number 1, make sure that your profile, Facebook profile, is optimized, that we understand what you do. Extra tip number 2, and I see this way too often, make your Facebook profile public and non-private. Because if you're interacting with people and then you put it private, how can people discover you and get to know you better? If you want to have your family, you don't want to share it with everyone, create another one, create another personal one. But it's important that if you're interacting with your own main Facebook profile in these groups trying to get clients, make sure your profile is public. Extra tip number 3, do not spam people. Treat people like people, please. Otherwise, you're gonna get into Facebook jail. It happened to me. And if you wanna know how to DM people, watch this video over here. Extra tip number 4, have a picture of your beautiful face in your profile. Yes, cat pictures and sunset pictures are amazing. I love them, but you're not gonna gain anybody's trust like that. They wanna see you, what you're all about. It doesn't really have to be professional, but at least it has to be lit up. You know, you can use natural light and show your smile. If you don't wanna smile, try to be a little friendly. Building a brand and authority is really important, but you can still make hundreds of thousands by focusing on what your ideal client wants and provide that to them, hanging out in that pool where they are hanging out, providing value to them. Especially if you're starting out or you've been, in this business for a little bit, but you feel that branding is all about, being popular on social media or color psychology and all that it's a little overwhelming. You don't need to do that, at least now. You can still achieve that 10K per month in Facebook groups. The main reason why I love Facebook organic marketing are that, first of all, you don't need to dance on reels or do the latest trends. Number 2, you don't need to spend a penny, you don't need to spend money on Facebook ads or any ads whatsoever. And number 3, it's much easier to initiate a conversation on Facebook Messenger than any other app. It's like more personable. It's like talking to a friend. And what happens when the person on the other side start to like you, start to trust you? Well, they're gonna start listening to you and they probably gonna buy from you. If you found this helpful and want to get more clients for your coaching or healing business, let's chat so I can share with you all the ways in which I can help you. There's an application link in the description, but don't get intimidated by all these questions. Those are just for me so I can get to know you better and ask you less questions during our call. Yes, I am nosy, and it's because it's my mission to help coaches and healers to really achieve their full potential and the maximum impact and income that you desire. So go book a call now. And like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what was your biggest takeaway from this video. I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.